we're going to make houses out of like cardboard. You can use a milk carton, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. If you have a shoe box at home, you can use a shoe box. You can set it on its side like this, or maybe a short house and then build up. I have some pre-cut things, or it's colored cardboard that you can get at a craft store, and corrugated, kind of flimsy it's not really cardboard, it's kind of like a paper, which works really well for the roof. It's very flexible, easy to bend. And I happen to have already some pre-cut examples. What we're going to do then, and I'll show you how to make a quick little house, and then I'm going to show you how you can work with the milk carton. I use a hot glue gun only because it's faster. So I am going to run a line of glue make sure, if you want it all one color, make sure you're going the right direction. And I'm going to place that in the joint. So I'm going to do the other wall. Now I'm going to run glue on the top part of here. There you have the base of your house. Then I have some pre-cut corrugated paper here, and it makes it really nice because I can fold it in the center like that, and then it's going to fit right on top, and it will be even. And if you have to go back and lift it up a little bit and get a little more glue on that, that's okay too. For my joints here, what I did, because I didn't like that showing, I went back with a marker. I just kind of colored it in with black, or you could use orange or whatever. Using the black, I thought it kind of looked like it had the house had some trim. Now you can create some windows just out of some paper, or you can have some foam. You can cut down to size. And if you want to give your roof a different look, you can also do that. I have one here. I made a little dog house. Here's a finished example. I left it pretty simple. I have Sky from Paw Patrol. And you can decorate it. You can get stickers, or draw some bones or whatever. I created a little helicopter propeller, and this is Sky's doghouse, which is a lot of fun. If you want to make a doghouse out of it, you can. So I'm going to show you quickly with the milk carton, and since I already have pre-cut pieces, I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to piece together. And you can use regular glue. If you want, it'll just take a little longer to dry. I'm going to design a roof, and this I use just some pressed thinner cardboard that will work because it's flexible, and I kind of measured it to the size that I use for the smaller house, and you might want to so I just traced that size onto there because it's pretty much the same size, and traced it and then cut it out. And for my fold, I kind of fold it, but I think if you kind of score it, you might want an adult with you because you have to use the X-Acto knife. It just kind of bends better. And then you're going to be able to place that on for your roof. And with these peaks on the one side, it fills in the milk carton so there isn't an open gap. It looks more like a house. I'm using hot glue guns. Only use one, but I suggest having an adult with you just for the video because it time's sake. And I want to make sure it's even on both sides. So for craft sticks, I found out that the larger ones, and you can use the colored ones, or you could get the plain colored like this, but you can use Sharpies to create a design on them. You can paint them with any kind of paint, any color that you would like. So you can just be creative really with the roof. And I'm going to use their pre-colored craft sticks. And I'm just going to have some fun with it because I'm going to alternate colors. And with the large craft sticks, it takes about 5. And I'm going to decorate my roof up. You can see I'm laying them right up to each other, but you wouldn't have to. You could overlap them if you want, which then would probably take more craft sticks. If you were going to overlap them, I would start at the bottom and work my way up. And then too, you can create and design, make your roof. You know, you could add something in between. I do have some punched out circles, and you can glue those on there. So these dots, and I'm just going to make it colorful. You can make it all one color if you like. I just have the multicolors right here. So if you decide you didn't want the craft sticks, you could just create some shingle looking pieces and you can just cover it up. You could do the whole thing, or you could just do the bottom. I'm going to add a door. It's going to be a double door. I'm just going to color in I used foam sheets. I just created a little divider. It's going to be a double door. I'll place it. I'm going to use some gems. And my gems are going to be little doorknobs, so you can decorate it. Then I have some paper already cut out, different shapes, different colors, and I'm going to use those for my windows. So you might want to add, depending how you want your windows to look. And you can just use some glue or tape, double-sided tape. And put a window on your house. And then you can decorate all sides if you'd like. And there you have your house. And just have fun creating a different type of roof. You could use buttons if you wanted. Just be creative and